my 2025 Indian Scout 101. The reason why I'm making this video is because I'm going to be changing up the bars from the 6-inch risers that it comes with from the factory, and I'm going with the 8-inch pullback risers. You'll see here's the handlebars. It makes me, I'm 5'7", it makes me basically have to lean forward a little bit, and I want to have it come back and up. So I'm going to take a couple photographs. I'll probably add it in as well, and then hopefully this video helps somebody else out who's making the decision to switch between these or the 10-inch risers. I have a buddy that has the 10-inch risers, so of course those come almost straight up. There's no pullback to them. They're not too bad, but I think that the 8-inch with the 2-inch pullback is going to be the sweet spot. So this is the stock handlebar positioning. You can see that I'm 5'6.5", 5'7". I've got a 30-inch inseam. So this is my riding position like this. And I find that I get a little bit fatigued in my neck and in my shoulders on longer rides. So I'm really hoping that switching to the 8-inch risers with the 2-inch pullback is gonna maybe just set me up just a little bit better, more comfortable. But as you can see, this is my riding position. This is my leg position. So looking forward to seeing how it's going to look once it's done. Okay, so these are the 8-inch risers with the 2-inch pullback. You can already see that it's over the instrument cluster. So for positioning, here I am here. This is way more comfortable right off the bat. I can